Amaram hum, madhuram hum is that humming, resounding sound that is permeating our existence. Guruji would say that the hum is the very existence of ourselves. A river hums, a car engine hums. And Swamiji would always give this example, and I would sort of little bit think about it. And he would say that a person that's not feeling so well and is in pain, he goes, hmm. He's so true. When he is uttering that sound, he is breaking through the construction of the atoms of the human consciousness, which is making him experience discomfort. And that humming sound is the sound that is piercing through and taking his attention to that where you are as if on top of a valley. And from there, when you say Amaram hum, Madhuram hum, the same sound comes back to you. Guruji would say so beautifully, it's a simple analogy of the echoing, but what did he say? The sound came from you. God spread all throughout the valley into the vastness of the sky, into the vastness of your own existence, into the vastness of the vision as far as your vision could go. And the same sound returned to you and got absorbed in you. That is the grace of Guru, who says that you, that being the utterer of that sound, is the truth, is the source. Everything comes from you, exists in your vision, in your perception, in your experience, and gets absorbed back into you. That is how vast that you is. And Guru says, but in the waking state of consciousness, we make this you as only a little dot in this human vast world. But Guru awakens that truth, which is pure, free forever. It is everlasting. It is unchanging. It is undying. Nobody wants to die. Nobody ever wants to be diminished or eliminated, because his nature is eternal. His nature is immortal. When you go to a fly or a little creature, he reacts. The fly flies away. The creature takes its turn and changes the direction when he sees your finger or even feels your breath blowing on it, because the consciousness even in the creature is so vast that it perceives that there may be some danger to it. And what is the danger of? The danger is to its existence. It's not the existence, that bodily existence that it reacts to. It is the knowledge of its own self as undying, Amar. It knows it is infinite and it never wants to die. And that is why he changes the direction or flies away. Guru taps our consciousness into that which is the immortal, unchanging, undying existence. In the activity of the day, or the morning, or the evening, we get completely engrossed and entangled into this world of name and form, places to go, things to see, actions to perform. But when we take this moment and get absorbed into our own vast space as pure, free forever. The name of it is Amaram Hum, Maturam Hum. At that moment, the purpose of our day is completed. Let's take one more minute in silence, and then we will continue.